just a quickie today. Basically come out to a job here in Sutherland. NBN's rocked up a couple of times. They've looked at it. There was just a broken pipe there with a leading cable hanging out of it, the old one. And the new development here, that had a conduit, a 20mm Telstra conduit from there to here, already roped. So I'll just try to put the thing in between. So I've just got that working now. So I've got like a little bend on that, connected that to there. I've pulled a new leading cable through to the pit. So it's one new cable all the way to the other end. Now just put the Telstra box on and that's it. So this guy can get connected to fibre to the curb, FTTC. And so that's it. Now put the NBN box on the wall, and I've terminated his Cat6 cable to the leading cable. His conduit is repaired. Leading cable is brand new all the way from here to the pit. So he's now ready for NBN FTTC.